Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show Gemini video option not showing problem. Let's see how to get video option on Gemini. Go to Google Play Store, go to search bar and search Gemini app. Update Gemini app if showing on Play Store. Tap on hold Gemini app. Click on I button. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on storage. Now go to Gemini app. Click this option and tap on update. Upgrade Gemini app.